Welcome to this video walkthrough of a third floor, one bedroom apartment here in the heart of Allston, right on the Allston Brookline boundary. Okay, as you can see, hardwood floors throughout. Good size living room over here. A couple of windows facing the inside, the side of the buildings. All right, we have a closet right over here. It's a pretty shallow closet, not too deep. Let's head out into the foyer, hang a quick right into the kitchen. We have all your essentials: sink, gas stove, fridge, good size fridge, cabinets up top, more cabinets off to the other side, a little breakfast counter right here, and a little window, again facing the side. Okay. That is a fairly new fridge, just to note. Gas stove, always nice. Not included in the apartment. Little closet across from the bathroom. All right, not being used too much. Good size right there. And we have the bathroom right here. Again, all your essentials. You have your toilet, bidet not included, sink, vanity, clawfoot tub with the standing shower combo with the tub. All right, looks like a fairly fresh bathroom finishes. It's kept in pretty good shape. More hardwood floors. All right, and we do have heat and hot water included in the rent. Please excuse the car alarm in the background. All right, so good size closet right there. And one of the coolest features of this apartment, your own 3-season porch. All right, there's no actual windows, it's just screens right there. But just a nice little open space to chill out, your own. Okay, 2 things to note: there's no off-street parking, and there's no laundry on site, so please take note of that. Okay, if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out. Angel at lmcrealtyboston.com. Hope you enjoyed the video tour and hope to hear from you. Happy hunting.